Hello, guy. In this presentation, will be also answer for some question asked me from our student. He said we want to know how will be added and subtract the positive and negative number and source. Continue for source. You can return back to the last video. I am publish it into the YouTube or Facebook. You can again to see it and see this is example. Now will be start how will be solve the problem with the negative and positive number, how will be added and subtract. Will be see this is tutorial. I think so need some just only to know about how will be to use the both math in order to understand how we will be solve any problem for that. This line for the line number, he called this is the line number. He started from 0 and like this, he start from 0, this middle. In the right side, is it in the right side number, this is the positive number. In the left side, this is the negative number. 0, 1, 0, minus 1, like this, from the left side. Now, this decrease, this increase. Now, this number, as we see about this example, minus 4 minus 2. Now, we have here the symbol for the minus. How will be subtract this number, this negative number? Minus 4 minus 2 meaning added, minus time minus meaning added, plus meaning plus. We see minus 4, it's become minus, time minus is become plus, because minus here, minus time minus equal plus, so here become plus. To change the symbol, so minus time minus 2 is become positive 2. We not write here positive plus this because always that's plus when we not see any symbol here, meaning this is meaning as a positive. So like this is become minus 4 plus minus 2 is minus 6. You see in the time number is minus 4, this minus 4, plus this is plus 2, 1, 2, it's become minus 6. Example. In this example, we can see minus 15 plus minus 3, how become. Pause the video and answer, and I will be returning back to you. See, minus 15 plus minus 3 equal plus minus is become minus, because this is this plus and this minus is become minus, so it's become minus 15. Minus 15 plus minus 3, minus 15, this is not enough, but minus 15 when you complete, this is the line numbers, you can see this is minus 15 plus minus 3 and minus 15, minus 16, minus 17 and minus 18. Example again. Pause the video and you can try to solve this and will be returned back. You see, 7, this symbol here, plus 7 plus minus 3 plus time minus, it's become minus 7 minus 3, it's become 4. 7 minus 3, it's become 4. Example, minus 4 minus minus 2 equal minus time minus is become plus, minus time minus is become plus, is become minus 4 plus minus 2, minus 4 plus minus 2 same, it's become minus 4 plus 2, it's become minus 2, minus plus minus 4 minus 2 1 2, it's become 2. You see, please focus here, listen and look carefully. Minus 4, this minus 4, minus plus minus meaning plus, so plus opposite side, plus 2 minus 2 1 2, it's become, because this minus 4 plus 2 is become minus 2. See, in a plus you return back to the increase. If this here minus, you return back to degrees, opposite. Minus 7 minus minus 3, you see, minus time minus is plus, it's become minus 7 plus minus 3, how become minus 4. Minus 7 plus 3, it's become minus 4. Let's see here, minus 7, for example, minus 7 here, plus a 3, 1, 2, 3, it's become minus 4. See, here also same. This question same, minus 2. Because minus 4 plus 2, 1, 2, it's become minus 2. Minus 7 plus a 3, minus 7 plus a 3, 1, 2, it's become minus 4. Minus 4. Example. 11 minus minus 7. 11 minus minus 7, same process. Minus time minus has become plus, that's why 11 plus 7 will become 18. You see, you can return back to the decrease the number minus. This also timeline. In this example, you will be see also 2 minus 7, 2 minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 5. This 2 minus 7, decrease, meaning decrease, not increase, decrease. I subtract 2 minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's why he's become here. Example. Minus 2 minus 7. This minus 2 minus 7 should be, it's become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's become minus 9. This minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. That's why it's minus 9. Because minus, that's why we'll decrease. Example. Minus 2 minus minus 7, meaning plus, because minus time minus has become plus, so 5. Minus 2 plus 7, we go opposite, upside down. That's why we are now increase the number, increase this number. -2 plus, because this minus time minus is a plus, -2 plus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's why 5. In minus sum symbol, we are decrease, you go up from this way. In a plus symbol, we go in this way. Now we also return back again to the source, because some question he's asked me, he's still not understand the source. The source about this is the rule. This is the rule for the source, for the root. This is square root. Square root, this is how will be solved. We take it for the last video. You can return back in order to know the rule how will be seen. This is the rule. This is square x times square x equal x, meaning if we change this or rotation for number, he said 5 times 5, sorry, it's become meaning 5 square 5 times square 5 equal 5. AB meaning, for example, when you rotation 15 coming from here, 5 times 3. Here meaning A over B square root, meaning if you rotation to any number, for example, 2 times 3 is become square 2 and square over square 3, like this. So there is many file for the example of the implementing their rules. See this website. You can go to this website in order to understand how will be solved for this, depending about this rule. But we take it some question for the measuring the area for the example in order to know how will be use all this rule for this example. I see this example is suitable to explain for this rule. That's why we are just please listen and look carefully in order to understand how will be solved this is. Here, for example, square root of 2 can't get it. This is because no square 2. That's why he is of the source. So it is a source. That's why we can't get the square root. Let's become standard. For example, again here square 4. We can't get this square 4. Square 4 is 2. 2 times 2 is become 4. That's why square 4. Just only for your information in order to knowledge about how will be know about the square. Square 2 meaning no square. That's why square 4 square root can be simplified to the 2. So it is not a sort. It is not the root. That's why will be C. Now you try to return back for this question as to explain how will be solve the problem about the source for the use the rule for the source in order to find the area about this question. We have here big rectangle and we have here small rectangle. Inside the big rectangle we need to find the area as a percentage for this area. This is the measuring about the big rectangle. Square 3 plus square 12 is the length and the height square 8. And the area about small rectangle as a square 2 square 3. In this case, we are find first to solve this, or the key to solve this problem for this question. We must to find the area about the small rectangle, and after that, subtract from the big area from the rectangle. Small rectangle, the area we can founding by multiply the height by length in order to get this is square 2 times square 3 is become square 6. 2 times 3 is become square 6. And after that, the area about the big rectangle, it's become square 8 times square 3 times square 12. It's become sorry, plus here, plus. Sorry, I am here make multiply should be plus. That's why it's become square 8 times square 3. It's become 24. Plus should be, sorry about this, square 8 times square 12. It's become 69, 96 square. Now we must to simplify this. In order to simplify this is square 24 coming from where? How are they coming? 24. We see 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. So square 4 times square 6. After that we simplify this. It's become square 4 times square 6 plus. We simplify also 96 is become 16, square 16 times square 6. Also we simplify this, square 4 is become 2, square 4 is become 2 times square 6 plus square 16 is become 4 times square 6. 4 times square 6. 16 this 4 for opening this square root. It's become 4. That's why it become 46. So this is the area of the big rectangle. It's become 6 square root 6. 6 square root 6. And the small area for this rectangle, it's become square root 6. Now we are subtract this area from this area, from small area from the big area about the rectangle. It's become square 6 square root 6 minus square root 6 for the small area. It's become 5 square 6. This is the area about big big rectangle for the left side. This. So the left percentage, he need this answer. He need from me in order to change this answer from centimeter to the percentage, to the percent. How we are? We just multiply by 100. Sorry, it's become in order 6 square 5 square. This is the area about the small for the left area. For the big area over big area time 100 in order to get the percentage. It's become 5. This one cancel with this one. It's become 5 over 6 times 100. It's become 500. 5 times 100 is 500 over 6. It's become, when you cancellation about this 2, it's become 2, 3, and 500, how many 2? It's become 250. 250, it's become, for that, sorry, 8 after we divide it to simplify this is become 83 over 1/3%. This the last answer for this order in this area. Very, very easy and very simple. We have two rectangles, one inside one. First, we get the area for small one. After that, get the area for the big one. After that, we subtract for small area from the big area. and after that to change this is result for big area to the prestige in order to get the result for the left side for the area. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to enjoy and understand about the rule for the how will be subtract and added the negative and positive number. Just need some practice for you, and also this is explained. This is for the last slide for this presentation about explain how will be solve the problem for the sort. In order to after that more information you can go to search in the website, or we can go to the see the last video for the rule of the sort. Thank you guys, bye bye, and you can write your note if you have any problem. You can write to me in order to answer for you for any question. Thank you, bye.